Can I come up? Yep. Well, we're about to head out here and finish our check-in process back into Mexico. I think we have about 4 offices to go to today. Immigration, customs, port captain again. What's the other one?
I don't know.
Another one I'm forgetting there somewhere as well. The good thing is here with this marina, they will actually take us around. He's going to drive us around to all the offices this morning to get all the paperwork done, because they're all in separate places in town. Hillary's just finishing up a bit of the paperwork and then we're going to take off. Well, here's Varuna sitting at a dock. As Hillary was saying yesterday, she found this quite surreal, quite strange to see Varuna from an angle here tied up to a dock. We have not been at a dock in a while. Just feels kind of strange. Alright, on our way. We're going to head up to the office here. Paperwork good?
I got everything here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Saw this. Okay. Good.
Second office.
What you doing out there?
Taking out the caulking, trying to remove this port light so we could rebed it. Quite the leak.
Does have a big leak when it rains.
Right onto our galley stove.
Whoa, you got it. Nicely done.
Probably should then I can build it from both sides, I guess.
Yeah.
Rebedding this leaking port light with new butyl tape was one of a few projects we had on our list as we prepared to leave Varuna for a period of time.
That's our dive compressor back there. And it's not in a good place. Unfortunately, we went to fill our tanks up in Nicaragua and came to the real sad realization that there was a lot of rust. And we're not sure what from. It might have been some salt air in there. It was dry when we put it away, but our best guess, a lot of humidity since we got down to Central America. So unfortunately, I think the box that we have it in is really good, but it doesn't breathe at all, and there's just condensation, which has created that rust. Probably with some salt air remnants from, I'm sure. It won't start. We weren't able to fill our tanks. There's no turnover, no nothing. Really hoping it's salvageable and not a waste. Hopefully it's just a motor issue. I'm going to start by draining the fuel. The fuel wasn't filled up, so I'm thinking it could be bad fuel now with all that condensation in there. We'll drain the fuel, see where we go from there. I'm thinking maybe a spark plug too. This here, corrosion on our broom. So I went to pick it up and it just snapped. I mean, these are cheap things anyway, but still. Hey, Mozzie, go away. I hear you in my ear.
It's your nemesis. It's the bugs.
These are our little $1 store plates.
Pack of 3 for $1.
3 for $1, you're right. So we got 6 of them. We're going to use these. What we were going to use them to eat, and we thought we could drill a hole through them so they'd be easy to clean. There's a mozzie like in my eyeball. Oh, they're driving me mad. So we've got 6 plates here. We're going to drill a hole through them, and then we can slide them up our dock lines. The plan is to use these as like a barrier so we don't have rat and mice climbing up the dock lines. Hopefully it'll be a bit of a prevention. And I can see you. Looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, it looks really good. See those
Dark clouds behind me. It's the afternoon rain that comes across a town inland called Tapachula. I guess gets hit every day with rain, and we seem to somehow miss it every afternoon here. It'd be nice to have it cool down though.
Dark clouds back there.
Very dark clouds, some rumbly thunder.
We would really like to get hit by that and get a bit wet.
Oh, it'd be nice.
Based on what we've seen, that's not going to happen. Not that lucky.
A little shade cloth covered boat here. Dock full of parts from you working on the compressor. A nice watertight box.
It's no longer airtight.
Nor watertight. Moment of truth. See if this compressor starts up. Hopefully it does.
We changed out the fuel. That opened up. It's like a rust colored air. I got everything on.
In this very secure, protected, and calm harbor here in Chiapas, Varuna was getting settled in as we prepared for this possible new adventure. If our new boat purchase went through, we would need a safe place to leave Varuna for a while, and Marina Chiapas fit the bill perfectly. Located a full mile inland through a man-made and mangrove-lined channel, it is one of the most protected harbors we have seen. It is also east of the Pacific Hurricane Zone.
What is today?
Saturday.
Tomorrow's a big day here in Mexico for a lot of reasons. It's the elections,
Yep.
which is going to be big. It sounds like there's going to be a big change.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on with elections. We'll see what happens. And it's the next World Cup game. Mexico plays Brazil.
Well, that's going to be huge.
It'll be really big.
Now, I have a flight to catch tomorrow, and I don't know if it's going to be leaving because I think people are going to be busy watching the game.
Scheduled to leave right when the game starts.
Right in the middle of the game, so I guess we'll see what happens. I am supposed to fly out of here about just before 10 a.m. tomorrow up to La Paz. Got a connection, I think, in Mexico City, and get ready to take a look at this boat.
Check it out, see what it's all about. Hopefully it's good news. I don't know, we'll see. There's a couple of things we really are kind of concerned about and want to do a thorough check on.
One major thing that could be something.
We'll update
What's
you
the major
once
thing?
you get there.
Oh, buddy, you're getting eaten alive.
I
by the
know, so
mozzies.
many mosquitoes. We'll let you know when Ty's there. He'll let you know. Okay, perfecto. Y también, ¿tienes experiencia para achacar o cubiertas que está podrido en el centro? Just got off the phone with a gentleman named Beto. He was recommended to us from some friends on La Paz and said he does really good work to remove teak decks and also check and see if we need to do anything with the core and then replace it with fiberglass. So we're going to set something up with him for when you go up there. Not
Me.
you, but you.
Me, but me. Not you, but you.
Yes.
Or me. Journey north begins today. I'm gonna go catch a plane, but of course there's always something to do here. Got to fix the fridge. Tried to charge up with some Freon yesterday, and I think I put a little bit too much in there, so we're gonna see if we can fix it before I go. Frozen!
Frozen?
I'm good to go. A little bit of stuff.
You going off to summer camp?
Boat inspecting, hopefully new boat summer camp. We'll see how it all goes. Hillary's staying here, so time for me to take the camera.
Bye-bye, camera.
On you. Alright, can I get a hug?
Hug.
Hug? Bye.
Bye. You're bringing these shoes you're going to put in your backpack?
Oh, bugger. Can you slide them in? I've got a plane to catch here in a little less than 2 hours now. I'm heading up to La Paz. I've got to go through Mexico City. Alright, see you later.
Bye. You want me to walk up to the road with you? Or
If you want, you can, sure. You're going to come up?
Yeah.
Huh.
I have nothing else to do.
I thought I was saying goodbye, but didn't get rid of her. Told you I should have left her at sea.
I'm going to sneak in your tiny little backpack.
Oh, you could fit in the little
In the
pelican
backpack.
case here.
Throw-
Alright team, so here's the deal. We've put an offer in on a new boat. You might know that already.
Exciting stuff.
It's a bigger boat.
Bigger boat, more space.
More maintenance,
Hopefully
more
not
cleaning.
Too many more projects.
I think it's going to be a project boat.
It's going to be projects.
We got a really good price on it so far, and we may even come down a bit more depending on what we see. It's pretty unknown right now. Very little information. The owner's not able to give us any information. He's not in enough capacity to verbalize, unfortunately, what he's done with the boat over the years.
Which is part of the reason why we're getting such a good price on it.
Yeah. Sad. It is originally his though, so one owner. We hope we got a great price on it. Our biggest worry, teak decks. And I say like teak decks, like how much teak?
Like 75% of the deck is teak. There's hardly any cabin top.
Maybe more.
Maybe more, yeah.
Because the cockpit's all teak as well.
Yeah, which that's not as much as a concern, I guess, but...
We're hoping for the best, but I've got a bad feeling that there's some real bad rot on this deck. Good news is it's been here, well not here where we are, but in Baja area, which is real nice and dry.
Maybe
and it's been there for, we think, 10 years. Or 9 years, something like that. A while. Check a few other things. We've got an engine surveyor. I brought my climbing gear and stuff. I'm going to go up the mast and inspect the rigging.
And then you're going to spend, the broker seemed really open to just let you hang out on the boat for a couple days going through every little system.
Go through as much as we can. Try and see what we really think of it and what the real big expenses are going to be. Again, deck core issues is the big one there.
Yeah.
That could be the one that says no and could make all of this for nothing.
Could, which would be a bummer.
Yeah. Although we do hear that steel boat there right behind us. We heard that guy just wants to get rid of it. We wanted a steel boat, we just don't know enough about them. Maybe we could do that one. We're in step again, look at that. It's a beautiful, huge, big road for the marina that doesn't get that busy. There's not really anyone in this marina. And now we wait on the side of the road.
See if a colectivo drives by, or taxi or something.
We're hoping, it's early Sunday morning, but I feel like there'll be something coming by. There's a town down there, it's church day, all that sort of jazz.
Bye.
Talk to you online.
Yeah.
Hola, aeropuerto.
¿Documenta equipaje? Are you checking baggage?
Oh, no, sorry.
This is your boarding pass, Tapachula, Mexico, and Mexico, La Paz.
That's it. On the plane. I'm heading to Mexico City. Right around 10 years ago, that was me.
Good morning,
working for United Airlines in Portland, Oregon. Before I got laid off with the financial crisis, headed back to Australia. 10 years later, I'm on a boat, sailing around. Maybe about to upgrade too.
Preparation for
Bien.
place it in an overhead compartment.
I'm here, I made it. I'm at the marina here in La Paz, and my friend's boat here, it's up in Canada for the summer. But he's going to let me crash right there in the cockpit for the next few nights while I check out this hopefully new boat. I'm holding off. It's a Sunday right now. Nothing really is open today. The office isn't open, so I couldn't get keys to the actual gate, so I had to sneak in through the gate. I want to get some ice cream, and I really kind of want to go down and see if I can get into the marina where the boat's at and get a bit of an early peek. We'll see, I might just do that.
You got your stuff. You're leaving.
I'm ready to go to camp, Mum. Did you pack my lunch?